For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Want perfectly cooked rice every single time? Let me show you how. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker steamer, white, is a compact, reliable option for small households or anyone who wants fuss-free rice. I've been using this cooker for a few weeks, and honestly, it never fails. My short-grain rice comes out fluffy and consistent every time. The single switch control is super easy. No complicated settings, just add rice and water, flip the switch, and let it do its job. I love using it on busy mornings when I barely have time to cook. It also has a see-through glass lid with a stay cool knob, which lets you check the rice without losing heat or steam. I usually peek in while multitasking in the kitchen, and it keeps the rice perfectly moist and soft. Stay cool handles make moving it from counter to table safe and easy. I've carried it full of hot rice without worrying about burns, which is a small feature but really handy. The durable non-stick inner pan keeps rice from sticking, making cleaning simple. I don't even need to add oil, so it's healthier too. It comes with a 6-ounce measuring cup, roughly 3/4 of a US cup. 1 cup of raw rice makes 2 to 3 cups cooked, which makes portioning super simple. Plus, it doubles as a steamer. I've steamed vegetables alongside my rice, and it works perfectly, making one-pot meals easy and convenient. In short, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker steamer is simple, reliable, and practical. If you want a rice cooker that actually makes your life easier, this one's worth trying.